All right, that's 2 loads of gravel right there. 2 loads of asphalt millings. I smoothed it the best I could with the Bobcat, but with the metal tracks on, it's a little bit tough. So I either need to get something else to spread it, maybe with the garden tractor, or see if I could take these tracks off because they're just tearing up everything I drive over. And I honestly don't really need them anymore now that I'm getting closer to finished, but I'm pretty happy with it. I think once this stuff compacts down, it's going to be great. I need to fill in a little bit more over here, and it's hard to get up on the edge with all this crap in the way. So we'll get this out of here. We'll fill in this a little bit more. We'll fill in down there, kind of make like a little parking lot. We'll clean all that stuff up. We'll get that, and then we'll finish the rest of the driveway. But I like the color. It's easy to spread, and I think it looks pretty good. Hi, wife. What do you think of the driveways now?
They're awesome.
Do you like it?
It's so much better. Like, I wasn't scared to walk on it.
In those shoes?
Loafers.
Yeah, normally you have to have all kinds of apparatus to come down here.
It's true.
All right, here's my thought on these asphalt millings. I guess it just depends on where you get it from, because the millings themselves are pretty nice, but I guess if you get the fly-by-night kind of place, you know, like I did, you're gonna end up with a lot of chunks. Now, in the grand scheme of things, you know, what did it take me, an hour to pick this stuff up, 45 minutes? And I'm gonna spread it out in here, you know, for drainage purposes. But the bottom line is, I didn't really want to have to deal with that, and I'm gonna have to probably do it again because I still have more stuff to spread. You know, I cheaped out on the driveway. I spent a lot of money elsewhere, but on the driveway materials, I definitely would cheap out when possible because it's just really expensive. Like, this is about $1,000 worth of millings right here, 900 bucks. I had 6 loads at $150 a piece. You know, I probably could have paid more from the quarry, but you know, every penny counts, so I guess you get what you pay for. I think they have what's called double milling, and so like I was saying earlier, like that they'll send this stuff through again, and then, you know, it probably eliminates a lot of this stuff. This is probably straight off the road, right into the hopper, and then right here to my house. So, you know, there it is. You get what you pay for. All right, so in the end, that kind of worked out. I mean, I didn't have any rocks. Rocks are kind of hard to come by in Maryland by the Chesapeake Bay area, so that's nice. That'll kind of help keep some of that standing water out of that little area for my drainage there. And you know, there's still some chunks down here, but I'm hoping it'll compact over time. I still have a little ways to go. Probably will end up getting one more load. So, you know, our asphalt millings, nice. Yes, they're very nice, and hopefully they'll compact down. But you better have a way to spread it, and you better have the patience for picking up the crap in it. Otherwise, just pay somebody to put it down for you, or, you know, pave your driveway. All right, thanks for checking it out. Let's go find something else to build. On to the next project.